What will you do if you want to study the parts of a flower, especially if the flower is very small, or if you want to study some other parts of other organisms like say a cockroach? Do you have a dissection box? Always in the dissection box there is a lens which is called magnifying glass. What is the meaning of magnification? Enlargement is called magnification. So, this lens has the property that it can increase the size of the image. So, what we call it? A magnifying glass. A magnifying glass has a small handle which can be made of plastic or wood, and then there is a rim on which the lens is fixed. Just like mirrors, the lenses are also of two types, concave and convex. Now, this is a convex lens. That means as if two convex mirrors have been joined together, but of course, it is not that, it is a glass. So, if you will try to touch this glass, you will find it is thick from the center and thin from the tips. On the other hand, the other type of lens is thin from the center and thick from the sides. This lens is called convex, while the one which is thin from the center is called concave. When we want to see how the image is formed, what we find is that the beam of light, when it passes through convex lens, then it converges like this. This is called convergence. But in the case of concave lens, there is divergence. That means the light spreads. This converges and this diverges. So, two differences I have told you about concave and convex lens. Convex lenses are thicker from the middle, while concave lenses are thinner from the middle. Secondly, a convex lens converges the light, while a concave one diverges the light rays. Now, how is the image in a convex lens formed? If you will adjust the lens on the sunlight, what you will find is there is a bright spot. Keep a white paper below it, and after some time, what do you find? The paper has started burning, because all the sun rays, they converged on that bright spot. Had we used concave lens, they would have diverged. So, there would not have been so many sun rays coming on one point. Now, here all the rays are coming on one point. Another thing, now what is happening, that if you take a convex lens and adjust it in the sunlight and put a screen, what do you find? That bright spot is there even on the screen. So, what kind of image is formed by convex lens? Real image. Convex lens forms real image. That is how we are able to magnify and we are able to see the things which are smaller in size with the help of a convex lens. Lenses are used in many ways. Do you know our eyes also have lenses? That is how they are able to help in forming image. And when this lens gets blurred, our vision also goes down, and this condition is called cataract. So, in addition to this, lenses are used in microscopes, telescope, and specs. For short distance, or as it is called for myopia, convex lens is used, and for hypermetropia, that is for long sightedness, concave lens is used.